Hello everyone. Today we have another Q&A. A lot of you have asked, but what is decoupage? And how do we do it? And where can we use it? So basically, first things first. What is decoupage? Basically, decoupage is the art and craft of using any material, decorative material, like paper, for example, to decorate your furniture or all other items in your home. Which papers can we use to do decoupage? I have quite a lot of examples here. Basically, we have A4 paper, which these images I found on the internet. I printed A4 colored and I just glue the paper on the furniture and then obviously do another entourage of things to blend with the furniture I want to do. Another example is rice paper. This is an example of rice paper which you can purchase even online if you want, and just glue and blend with the rest of the furniture you have. Obviously it depends on the character you want to create, on your personality and on the colors and color scheme you have at home. Another example is wrapping paper, and this is basically a simple wrapping paper which has a nice design and which we can use to blend with our home decor. This is a tiled wrapping paper which is quite fashionable at the moment. Another example, which is the most popular use for decoupage, is napkins. And here we have just a couple of examples. But how to use the napkins? You have, the napkins have 2 or 3 layers of paper. In this case I have only 2. I just remove the one at the back and I just use the one with the image on top. And here we have, obviously we have paper here. And this is also a napkin which we can use to do some fun things with. And obviously we need to remove the layers at the back. Another example is scrapbook paper. You can find these even online or at selected shops around the islands, and you can choose which side of scrapbook paper you want to use. Obviously it always depends. If you're, for example, doing a gift for someone, you can use this one which that person might be taking away with him or her if they're living abroad. A couple of other examples are wallpaper. We can use wallpaper as well to decorate the furniture. In this case, this wallpaper is very thin, so we don't need to do anything to it. We just put the glue, put the paper, and then seal once it's dry. Some other wallpapers have thick layers of paper at the back, so we just put some water, scrub the water in, and remove the excess. And well, basically it's the same concept as the napkins, but we have to remove the excess paper at the back so that it's much easier to work with. And the last example here is fabric. Yes, we can use fabric to do decoupage as well. And if it's a nice pretty fabric like this one, full of butterflies, in this case they're blue, we just use the same concept of doing decoupage. What do I use to glue all these things? Basically, I just use Frenchic finishing coat. This is very good, environment-friendly glue which you can use to do the decoupage and seal afterwards. So when we do the decoupage and the paper is done and dry, we just do another coat of this to protect from usage. Another question, on which materials can we do decoupage? Practically everything. It's on wood, it's on metal, it's on plastic, it's on glass, it's on stone as well. The most important thing is that we seal before, for example on iron and metal and stone. We have to seal basically because of rust, and for stone basically because the stone is porous, so we seal it and we can enjoy our work of decoupage for the years to come. Thank you very much for following us. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.